The 1st of September is a special day for every child. A new school year starts on the 1st of September. Children in Russia go to school with flowers and smiles. There are many interesting school subjects at school. Maths, PE, history, English, geography, art, music, science.
When I was in the first class, my favorite subject was art and music. Now I am in the 4th class and my favorite subject is maths and English. I have got a big school bag. There are many school items in it. A rubber, a book, a pencil case, a ruler, a pen, a pencil. I was at school yesterday and there were many friends in my classroom. Nick was there, Tim was there. Mary and Philip were at school too. We were back together and we were happy. I was at school yesterday and there were many friends in my classroom. Nick was there, Tim was there. Mary and Philip were at school too. We were back together and we were happy. I was at school yesterday. Я был в школе вчера. Nick was at school too. Ник тоже был в школе. Philip and Mary were there. Филипп и Мария тоже были там. We all were at school yesterday. Мы все были в школе вчера. Вместо слова yesterday – вчера можно сказать an hour ago – час назад или last night – прошлой ночью, last summer – прошлым летом. Например, The children were at the zoo last Sunday. The 3 friends were in the park 2 hours ago.
Если ты хочешь узнать, были ли твои друзья в зоопарке или кинотеатре, поставь was, were перед именем друга. Was Mary at the zoo yesterday? No, she wasn't. Were the boys in the circus last Saturday? Yes, they were. Если тебе нужно узнать, где они были, то просто поставь слово where в начало предложения. Смотри. Where was Tim in August? Where was his cat in the morning? Where was its toy mouse?